This is literally, we just shaved, and then it looks like too much light in there. Let's get that way.
Yeah, that washes out the gold a bit, doesn't it, that colour?
Yeah, it makes it like shiny.
Shiny.
But maybe if you put a little bit lower,
Yeah.
something like that, I don't know. But yeah, this is just fresh shaved in the morning. So you probably are gonna film video afternoon what we're gonna do. And then all the yellow is healed. The red's also healed, all that healed. But I will put some fresh reds in there, just get like another push. And then the Dubai Gold was the one we used last time, and then we're just gonna continue. So all heals is exactly the same color. And then we have basically all the behind stuff. Or if you maybe turn a little bit back to me, there. So last time he was laying down, and then I basically did as much as I could. Where I couldn't reach, that's today basically. I will probably add some more shades there, push that out, black there, maybe add more black here. The first time we blacked out that, it was just like not leaking but like laking. It was like dripping blood like crazy. So I was like, you know what, there's no point, because if I need that to be black and then it mixes with my ink and makes like 70-50% black, can't black out anything. So yeah, that's the day. And then as much as I want to dig into the color, black needs to go first. We do blackout, and then we switch to probably gold, do all that gold, and then we're gonna switch back inside now, do the fresh reds. And then probably you're gonna see, I don't know, we'll see. Maybe I'll film midday, maybe I know. Can't promise, no promises given, yeah? Maybe if you turn it back to me a little more. Yeah, so this is the moment where we did actually black out more his elbow, but it's one of those where we're probably gonna come back and come back and come back and come back and come back till at some point it'll be fine. And I did black out that little guy. It was a little bit too much. Did you can see black spots here and there. I jumped left and right to kind of black out more. I did add more fade there, and then by doing the fade there, I added a little bit more fade there to kind of just blend into somewhere. And then probably I'm gonna clean that fade throughout more once we're gonna go other side. But to go other side, we're gonna do the gold now. And then it's literally called Dubai Gold. And then I always have 2-3 ink cups ready, because one of them we're gonna, well, the blood's gonna fuck up one of them, so we're gonna jump another one. And then I have 9 round shader just in case, and there's another one there also just in case. Well, not just in case, I'm gonna use that, but then one's there just in case if you know. So now you can see the elbow a little bit more blacked out. We just had food, so it kind of gave a little bit of time to settle down. But I managed to get all this is fresh, all that is new. A link to the previous one that was done somewhere there. You can see like an orangey tone to it. That's all fresh. And then went over some places where it wasn't like perfectly yellow, so I just pushed more in. And yeah, now we just do that. That's the job now. And then we're gonna flip over and do some little more red. So now we have inner section done. I know it's a lot of highlights here. You can't see what I was doing. But you can see it's all a bit blurry, not blurry, juicy and orange and bleedy and bloody. Well, that's that. And then now I'm gonna attack all the red. Gonna get more red pushed in, a bit lower, yeah, like that. And then yeah, gonna freshen up all the red juices in. For the red, I'm gonna pick. It's called tangerine, so it's like a warm, bright red. And then I always have multiple ink cups, so I put 2 of those, 2 yellows, and then all the black and grays. And then probably gonna take a fresh 9 round shader, just so that one's like used, that one's a bit dried up inside. I'm gonna take a fresh one, clean start, and then we're gonna blast out some red, and voila, swap bodies. So
Can you finish my rose now if you want?
I've done that once already.
You've done enough.
So we're pushing tangerine now. It is pretty juicy. The light doesn't really do the justice, but it's nice. Going in, really nice. Yeah. Lucy was doing, let me show you. The roses following the videos. The videos I've filmed. She was pretending to be busy. And then Lucy said she's bored, and I was like, we can swap. Well, we didn't swap. She's just gonna do a little bit of my work. How does the machine feel?
Different. It's weird. It doesn't feel as punchy. Like, I know my bishop's not punchy at all, but this is like even less. It's more just like a very light vibration than anything.
Oh, it's filming the legs.
I'm guessing you're just like fading this out.
Yeah.
Were you going sort of down like that one is?
Yeah, all the way down. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I think back in that the time when we did that, we didn't even know what to do with that. We just kind of left it to fade out or something.
Yeah, to be fair, I've made this up as I go along the entire time with you. So
You just wing it the whole way.
yeah, I've just gave you 3 grand.
Let's see we're being filmed right now.
Yeah.
You cannot.
You can just pretend that it doesn't exist there.
I think that sounds slower than when you were using it.
Sounds slower.
Sounds slower, like the vibration sounds slower.
I did tell you I pressed the minus button which times. Oh, it's actually gone down.
6.6. Yeah. I'm probably on 8.5.
I was just listening to it and I'm like,
Yeah, you can feel it. Yeah.
8.5 volts or
Yeah.
No, that's too much. I didn't tell you.
that sounds
I was
better.
like,
Yeah. I can hear
Yeah.
it.
Yeah. Nice. Maybe now it's gonna feel like the normal punch. Feels any different?
Yeah, it actually feels better. And brighter.
Feel like it works now.
It hurts more now.
Back to normal though.
Yeah, back to normal. It hurts
I
more.
think you can blame yourself for that because you pointed it out.
I was like, holy shit, she's like more gentle than Ziggy. Like she's hurting me less. And I was like,
Turns out false information.
yeah.
This is us now today. I don't know what else to really say. You already pretty much saw all what was happening. It still looks really bright in here. So much light in these rooms. But yeah, we relined pretty much all the red. Added light. I kept a few red. The was in previous color. I just kept it so they're kind of like a secondary faded, less highlighty. New purple, new reds, new gold. Maybe you can turn the elbow. Yeah, elbows looks really juicy black now. Hopefully it's gonna retain a lot of black, but hopefully gonna be less pain for you. And it's actually pretty good because that is healed yellow, that's fresh yellow. They look almost identical. So it's he retains quite a lot of gold. Some people don't really like the yellow and gold, but this one stayed in pretty good. Then we did some more damage on the bottom, shaded. You can see I did the black into like places before we did the yellow, and then all this was fresh gold today. I can't even see. Like now I'm looking, I'm thinking, what is the new? I don't understand myself. What's new? Legit, like that and that is exactly the same color. There was somewhere that I was no idea. Legit, I can't see. Like that and that is the same color, but I'm pretty sure I didn't do that. But I think I did that. No.
You've done the touches on this bit, and then the rest of that was obviously all new, but the colour does seem to just stick with me quite well.
Yeah, and then so future we're gonna fade it up, or if you go for that, then there's no point fading up. Then there's just having something there. But for the good looks, see how we smooth shade that downwards, like really nice, just down. We need to probably blend that up. And also I would like to do the same there, clean that shading like more down. But the problem kind of starts where we did all the red there, and now when the red's there I can't really play around with the black and grey because it's really going to fuck up the color. So therefore it needs to heal, and then we can fade out more. I could have done the shading there first, but then I already did all the pinks and then Lucy was carrying on, and before we know, we forgot about him. That's about it. And then basically, I think because we were really focused on making him more readable, so he stands out a lot more, and then also getting all the gold in, so the gold's done. And I think we did all the big chunks what needed to be done today, and now it's just little tweaks left to do. Yeah, that's about it. And then also here we could like fade that upwards a little bit more.
Yeah.
That would also make him stand out. But now when it heals, then we can see what's left, what needs to be. So the job can reveal itself, and then we will know what to do, where to do, when it heals. Yeah. So that's us today.